Crash test executing in 3, 2, 1.
So this is our crash test barrier lab. The test vehicle starts at the end of the track, about 340 feet away. We attach the vehicle to the propulsion system to the steel cable here. The two Model S performance drive units pull the test vehicle all the way down the track until it's about 3 feet away from the wall.
Well in advance of us ever producing a physical prototype, we're running thousands of crash simulations. So at the design level, we'll produce 3D models of the parts, and we'll simulate those using very complex and sophisticated mathematical models that represent the physics of a crash.
One unique passive safety feature in the Model 3 is its specially designed front passenger airbag, which helps protect the occupant in oblique crashes where they might come in contact with the interior.
Safety is a top priority, so I think that's really encouraging when you see feedback from people that have got into serious crashes and they give you that feedback that you've saved their lives or the lives of their loved ones. Is a really great feeling and shows that the work that we're doing is worthwhile.